Our hike began at the Ivestor Gap Trailhead, which is located in the Shining Rock Wilderness area of the Pisgah National Forest. The first couple of miles we dodged 4x4s and a sea of day hikers.
Hiking with cars, nature.
Soon though, the day hikers would thin, and after a 5-mile hike we would reach the top of Shining Rock. This is where we would be camping for the night, at an elevation of 6,000 feet.
There is a house in New Orleans, they call it the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many poor girl and me. Oh God, I'm one. There is a house in New Orleans, they call it the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many poor girl and me. Oh God, I'm one.
After breakfast, we packed up camp and were set to begin our hike on the Loeb Trail towards Tennant Mountain. Tennant Mountain has an elevation of 6,040 feet and will be the site of tonight's camp. Fortunately, the skies would soon clear, and unknown to us, an incredible sunset lie ahead.
Days full of rain, sky's coming down again. I get so tired of these same old blues, same old song. Baby, it won't be long, for I'll be tying on my flying shoes. Flying shoes, till I be tying on my flying shoes. Spring only sighed, summer had to be satisfied. Fall is a feeling that I just can't lose.
So it's 6:30. I'm getting up to go do a time lapse of Tennant Mountain. After my failed time-lapse, we would eventually make our way to Flat Laurel Creek near the base of Sam Knob. To get there, we would be continuing on the Loeb Trail, the Mountain to Sea Trail, and Little Sam Knob, which will take us to Flat Laurel Creek, where we will set up camp for the night. We will be finishing the trip the following day with a short hike on the Sam Knob Trail back to the car.
International. National System
of typographic picture
Education